Hey guys, so today I'm going to be reacting to Chef Poo Poo's Kitchen, whatever that is. Why, I don't know.
Oh, Charlie, you're so hilarious. Mom! Mom, shut up with all the little snoring. I'm trying to watch Charlie. Mom, come on now. What? Yeah. Oh, he's snoring. I'm watching Charlie. What's today? I think it's May 6th. Today's my birthday, Kim. What? It's your birthday today? Yeah. Oh my God, Mom. You didn't forget, did you? Of course not. I didn't forget, Mommy. You're my favorite mom. I love you. What did you want?
Well, I wanted cake and cupcakes.
Oh, yeah.
And bananas and lettuce and cheese and tomatoes and a lemon. Oh, yeah.
And a lip?
Yeah.
Of course. I'm going to have all of that for you.
Oh, I love
In a
it.
huge party.
Oh, bananas are so long and circular.
Well, I'll get all your gifts for you, Mom.
Oh, yeah.
Just wait in bed, okay?
Don't forget the bananas. Oh, yeah.
Oh, man, I love my new Ninja blender. Oh, it looks so cool. I can just chop everything up in there. Oh, then you turn it on. Oh, yes, I can hear the power. Oh,
Yeah, everyone can hear the power. Everyone has a blender. Not everyone. Maybe some people have a blender. They can hear the same thing.
Chef Pee-Pee! Oh, what, Bowser? I was just playing with my new blender over there. I don't care. Wait.
Playing
That's a
what?
cool new blender. But today's my mom's 200th birthday. I know she's getting old as hell, but she's gonna die soon, hopefully. And I need you to go and make a cake and make some cupcakes. And I think she wanted
When
lettuce
is
and tomatoes
Chef Poo Poo
and
gonna
bananas,
come?
all types of weird stuff. Can
Who's
you
Chef
just do
Poo
that for me? No. I was trying to play with my blender. I just got it. Well, look.
I'm just
Think
gonna
about the
skip a tiny
insurance
bit of it.
You can get out of the kitchen, okay?
Well, I really want some of that cake.
Don't touch that cake. Do not touch it.
Okay, I'll just take a banana then.
Those are your grandmother's bananas.
She can't eat all those bananas.
Oh, trust me, she can.
Oh.
She'll do it without chewing.
But I want a banana, please.
Oh my God, Junior, you're so worth them. Look, here's the stupid banana. Here's the banana, okay? There you go.
You have to cut it up in little pieces,
Oh
Chef.
man, you see, you made me get into the game.
You have to cut it up in little pieces, Chef Pee-Pee.
What? You can chew. You're 6 years old.
No, I'll choke on them if they're not cut up in little pieces.
My God, Junior, look, I'll cut it up. Just hurry up. And don't bother me anymore after this, okay?
Okay, cut it up in little pieces.
All right.
There you go. See, there you go.
Oh,
Okay, it's good.
okay, one more. You cut my arm. I'm bleeding. Oh my God, my arm.
Somebody,
Oh my God, I'm bleeding. I'm bleeding everywhere. It's all over the sink. Oh my God, I might pass out. I need to go to the hospital. Who's gonna get those cupcakes? Oh God. Hey, everybody. Wait, Boo-Boo? What are you doing here? Wait. Oh, thank God you're here. I really need your help. I need you to go in and...
What the heck?
What's wrong with you? Don't bang your head. I need
Why
you
is
to
he
get cupcakes
naked?
out of the oven for me. Please, can you help me
What?
this one time? Well, I'll be right back. I promise. Oh, okay. I can do that. Oh,
No,
thank you,
he's too
thank you.
stupid to do that.
Here's my jacket, too. Okay, so what am I supposed... Cake! Oh, my God.
I told you he's so
It
stupid.
smells like soap. Oh.
Chef Pee-Pee, I got you Band-Aids, okay? So,
Elmo Band-Aids? Oh, man.
yeah, you can't use the ones with Elmo on them, though.
Oh, man. Oh, my God.
Hey, Chef Pee-Pee, you got cake on your nose.
It tastes good.
Oh, well, can I do that?
You can lick it off.
No, I don't want any.
Okay.
Hey, your hand stopped bleeding.
Oh my God, my head's bleeding. Oh no, my head's bleeding.
No, it's not bleeding anymore.
Oh, it's not bleeding.
No, it's not bleeding anymore.
Oh.
Yeah, I guess you don't need my Band-Aids then. Well, anyway, Chef Pee-Pee, don't forget. Wait, what happened to your hat?
Oh, I ate it. I got hungry.
You can eat your hat?
Yeah, it was tasty.
All right, well, anyway, there's cupcakes in the oven. Don't
Cupcakes! Oh my God! Cupcakes! Oh, I love cupcakes! Oh man, he's blue and he's yellow. Oh no! Oh my God! Oh man, no, not the cupcakes! I can save him! Oh, he's tasty, Joe. I like him. Okay, I can see some more. Okay. We can just put him on the blade. No one
knows. No one knows. No one knows. Okay.
What the heck?
Okay, we
I
can
don't,
still
he's
save
so
him.
stupid to
What
do
am I
this.
going to do? Okay. Oh,
Why does Jeff even have to go to the hospital? He know that he's stupid and he banged his head. He should have
stop
said,
is on it. Now,
oh my gosh, Chef Pee-Pee's gonna get me super mad. He broke. I think he's broke.
Something's missing. What is it missing? Tomatoes and lemons. That's what it is. Okay, first the tomato and then the lemon. The tomato's too big. Stupid tomato. Now, where is that top? Okay. Die, lemon, die! Oh, God, it needs more milk. Yeah. All right, that'll do it. All right. Oh, bananas, too. Nothing can go wrong with bananas. Let's blend it. Yeah! Oh, it looks like ice cream.
That looks kind of good.
Yeah, it looks good. Yeah, it smells so good too. All right, Chef, don't. Hello. Yeah.
You made a really big mess over here.
All right.
Anyway, I'm sort of having a hankering for some cheesecake.
Cheesecake? I can make you the cheesecake.
Oh, wonderful. That's great. I'll be back in a few minutes to pick it up.
Okay, I'll be ready.
Cheesecake.
Cheesecake. Cheesecake. Okay, I got the cake. All right. Put it right there, and I get the cheese now. Cheese, 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 cheese. Where is the cheese? Cheese, and it's short cheese. Okay, this will be perfect. Okay, I got the cheese, and I got the cake. Now, how do I make the cheesecake? That'll do it, and you gotta have a hammer. Come on, cheesecake! Cheesecake! Perfect! Okay, so what am I going to do with these cupcakes? Oh, I missed one!
Chef Pee-hole, I'm ready for my cheesecake.
Oh, it's right here. Here's the cheesecake.
Oh, that is not cheesecake.
No, you have to look closely. Look, there's the cheese, there's the cake. Hold on. I'll dig it up for you. Okay, here's the cheese. And now it's cheesecake.
But that is no cheesecake.
You're welcome.
Whatever, Chef Pee-hole.
Right, satisfied. Okay, so back to my cupcakes.
Oh, Chef Pee-Pee.
Hey.
I need you to cut this watermelon up right here. Because I went out and I stole it from a watermelon farm. So I need you to cut this up from where I play Call of Duty.
I can do that. Yeah.
All right,
Sit right there and I'll cut it
I'll
up.
be right back to pick it up, all right?
Alright. Now how am I going to cut this watermelon? Hammer. Hey, come on, watermelon. Cut it in tiny pieces. Tiny pieces. There we go. Perfect. It's really dirty.
Hey, Chef Pee-Pee, where's my watermelon at?
Oh, hold on. I just got done cutting it for you. There you go.
I said pieces, not busted.
Oh, I thought you wanted it in charge. You could have told me.
Oh, no, I said I want some little tiny pieces, for I'm small, man.
Oh, okay. I can just get a knife and just cut some pieces in it.
Okay, Jackie Chan, calm your ass. Oh, this good enough. It's good.
Is it good?
Yeah, I'll take it.
You're welcome. Such a good cook.
Thank you, Cody, for coming over to my grandma's party.
It's really fun.
Yeah, wait. Chef Pee-Pee, what are you doing?
Come on, stupid tomato.
Chef Pee-Pee!
Oh, hello. I'm trying to make some tomato juice.
Oh, well, what happened to Grandma's cake? It's all messed up.
Yeah. Oh, that was your grandma's cake.
Yeah, you told me not to touch it.
I did? Oh, I was making cheesecake. You see?
Oh.
Oh, I get it because there's cheese in it. Yeah, that's how you make cheesecake.
Oopsie.
Pieces, for I'm small, man.
You made a huge mess, Chef Pee-Pee.
It's not that bad. I can clean it up.
Oh, okay, well, you might have to remake
the heck?
Grandma's cake because you put a bowl in it.
Oh, man, I forgot about that. I can do that, though.
So, I'll be ending the video here. So, Okay, see you guys in the next video. Peace.